What's going on, everybody? Today I want to give you a review of the Air Jordan 5 and Air Jordan 6 PSGs. Now, PSG stands for Paris Saint-Germain. It's a soccer team in France, Paris to be exact. And yeah, they've released a few PSG colorways on a few different Jordans. You know, Jordan 1s. They just had the Jordan 1 Comforts. The Jordan 4s. It's a really nice colorway. And yeah, I bought these a while ago. I wore the 5s a few times. I haven't worn the 6s yet, but I really like the colorway. And yeah, let's get into the shoes. The Jordan 6s, the colorway is iron gray, black, and infrared 23. Both of these shoes retailed for $225. I got them both for retail, but with the price comes more of a premium materials that they use, better materials than usual releases, hence the bigger price tag. The boxes aren't anything special, so usually when they'll have a special box for the extra price and all, but I think the money went into the shoes this time. We have for the 5s, black, challenge red, and white is the colorway. I really like the 5s. Like, I actually don't have a pair of metallic 5s at the moment, because when I got these, I was thinking about getting the metallics, and then I got the PSG 5s in hand, and I was like, you know what? I'm not even going to get the metallics until they release again, because I don't really like the older nubuck anyway. And I think they last released in like 2016 or something. So I'll wait a year or two for them to come back out again. Maybe a better version this time. And here we got your Air Jordan 5 PSG and your Air Jordan 6 PSG. Now, let's get to the 5s. Nice little side view of the 5s. Love the colorway. I mean, it's predominantly black. You have a nice quality nubuck. You have a reflective black tongue, which I'm always a fan of. Always like the reflective tongue. I mean, I like the versions that don't have the reflective tongue as well. It's just on this pair, the black tongue, the darker tongue looks better on the all black. Then you got your Paris that you see through the netting on both sides. Got your P, and then the Jumpman as the A. RIS. That's your white, black paint speckle. You got your Paris Saint-Germain logo on the back with the Jumpman, and then you got the stripe, red, white, and black stripe. Looks pretty good. It's a nice little hit of red. You have your 75 on the back. I believe it's because Paris is the 75th district in France or something like that. I'm not entirely sure, but I think that's what it is from what I remember. In your shark teeth, you got the white with black paint speckles. Looks real nice. On the metallics, you usually have the metallics silver and black, but I like the white. You got the all white with the black paint speckle on here. On the Oreo 5s, you would have the black with the white paint speckle. It looks really nice too. On the inside, this is I see say Paris. Not sure what that means. You got that underneath the right shoe. And the left shoe. It says Paris. It's your white and black stripe on the insole. But yeah, this is a very clean colorway. Let's talk about the materials real quick. They're a little dusty, but the good nubuck usually does that. They're really smooth, really nice. You got the black rubber netting, like not black, but the translucent blacked out with the white Paris underneath. It looks good. These look really nice in hand. Your bottoms, you have your PSG in red. Pretty soft nubuck. They looked better before they had dust on them and stuff. I mean, I can get that off, but I think they look really nice. A little bit of red in the shoe pops. And it's definitely a really nice. I actually like these more than the metallics. But I do want to get a pair of metallics, but I just don't want to spend too much on them. Then we got the Air Jordan 6 PSG. Pretty nice colorway, gray, black, and that infrared 23, which is like kind of like got that pink hit to it. You got your translucent bottoms, smoked out. Looks pretty good. You got your PSG on the back. Got your Paname. Then on your tongue, so every shoe is going to have a different design here, and no shoe is going to be the same, which is how it usually is on Jordan 7s. I think that's what they were going for here. You got the 75 on the lace lock, and Paris on the other side. You got your gray midsole. Just another really nice colorway. They did a really good job on these. The inside under the tongue has the same design as on the tongue. It's like red and gray. It's pretty cool. It gives the shoe a little more color. It just pops a little more. Then you got the red underneath right here. That I believe is reflective. So that's a nice little pop, a little touch too. It's your black translucent pull tab on the back. Let's talk about quality real quick. We have a very nice black nubuck here. Very soft. It's a pretty quality pair. Like I said, they retailed for $225. They use a nicer material than they usually use. Like the black is really soft. It's really nice. And then the gray is the same. Just a really soft nubuck. Looks really good. Very clean colorway. Like I said, I haven't wore these yet, but definitely will eventually. But I just like that they're just have that smoked out, translucent bottoms. Gray and black in general just looks good on shoes to me. But I'm always a big fan of like nice nubuck and suede. And these are just really nice. Not the biggest fan of, like, you know, this right here, but easily a shoe you can wear with a lot of things, and doesn't have too much red, but just enough to make it pop. And yeah, that's about it for these. I'm a big fan of the 5s and the 6s. Both of these are really clean colorways. Really love the 5s. And the 6s are nice as well. Definitely pick either one of them up for a decent price if you can. And until next time, y'all have a good one.